This is a lot bigger batch. I've got about, what is this? 24 kilos. That's approximately 50 pounds of concrete. Gray matter, my concrete. And if you'll notice, this is a bit wet. To which you're probably thinking, well, Mr. Concrete, that's gonna make you no good at marbling. And that's because I'm not marbling today. Doing a secret project I can't tell you about. But I can tell you that if you're pouring something big and it's got high detail, you need a wetter mix. This looks wet, hey? Woo! Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh. So right now I'm just feeling through this. This is, I'm sure a lot of people out there are gonna say, why aren't you using a mixer, Mr. Concrete? And the reason why I'm not using a mixer is because I can't feel the concrete. And I did use a mixer for part of the process, but now it's time to use my hands. Because if you're making something handmade, it's important to do things by hand. Because your hands are better than everything. Every machine out there, your hands are better. They give you data feedback. They're incredibly dexterous, strong. There's almost no latency between command and action. Your hands are wonderful things. And so when you make things by hand, it's beautiful. Look at that. Anyway, I gotta get down to biz, but I just thought you might like to see this. Ooh, look at that. Wow. It's better to be doing things than talking about doing things. So I gotta go. Have a good night. What if people that watched Mr. Concrete videos had a cool name? What would the cool name be? Do you know? Tell me in the comments. And stay tuned. Bonne nuit.